Alright guys, here's a quick walkthrough on the Four Winns HD2. Let's just step right up here. Nice big walkthrough. Beautiful stitching in the seats. You can see that quality stitching. Big place for your cooler. Here's a look at the helm. On this one, we've added the carbon GPS, so you always know where you are. I like the gauges on this one. They're pretty cool. Got tilt steering at the helm. Mercury 150 on the back. Inside the glove box here, kicker stereo for your listening pleasure. Nice big walkthrough here up to the forward deck. Nice big deck boat. Lots of storage. Notice the hinge on all of these cushions. Very solid feel. Beautiful boat. You see this priced to load.